that's the most important thing of the unit circle. I mean, what's the most important thing is that if you are able to see these things on the unit circle, you don't have to remember anything. So you can find the relations between angles, and you don't have to remember formulas like, like what's the relationship between angles that their sum is 90 degrees or their sum is 180 or any other combinations. Let me, for example, and you can always relate these angles to the let's say to the basic angles or the reference angles, which are always in the first quadrant. I mean, this here it's the first quadrant, the second, the third, and this is the fourth quadrant. So you can always refer any angle to the cosine sine of any angle to angles in the first quadrant. Let's say, for example, you want to find what's the cos of this angle here. So, like this angle here. So you want to find the cos. So what do? And you want to express it in terms of the trigonometric numbers that are in this quadrant here, the first quadrant. So that means that the angles between 0 and 90 degrees. So, I mean, what you can see here is what is the cos. The cos, it will be this segment here, from this point to this point. So, if you see here that if you do this angle here, which this and this are equal, and you bring this, you have that this segment and this segment, they are equal, but the one is positive because from here to here is positive and from here to here is negative. So the one is positive and the other is negative. But as segments, this and this, they are equal. So, and the one, it's the cos of this angle and the other is the cos of this angle. So that means that the cos of this angle here, I call this, is equal with the negative cos of this here. And of course, these two angles, if you see, like this angle and this angle here, like this small angle here, they're what? They're angles that they sum up to 180 degrees. So that means that angles that they sum up to 180 degrees, they have opposite coses, their cosine.